to a new video. In today's video I am going to be using my Neonail products to create a cushioned or quilted set of nails. Well, only one of them is going to be quilted. One of the colours I'm going to be using is this gorgeous Neonail colour called Sandy Glow. It's amazing. I'm also using the Neonail Expert Art Gel in Natural Pink. If you don't have that colour, you can use the Neonail Neonail Gel Polish in Flirty Blink, because that is quite similar in colour. There we go, look at that. Oh, I love this one. So I've just done one coat of Sandy Glow. You could probably get away with one coat, but I'm going to go in with two just to maximise the pleasure. I don't know why I'm on this morning. So I'm going to be using my Natalie Mugridge Nail Sugar Detailer Brush. I love this one. I've managed to bend the bristles somehow. It's got to look AB crystals in the handle. It's amazing, though it has sold out. Oh, it's sold out really quickly again. But Karen is, I believe she's going to order some more at the weekend. So they will be back in stock very soon. Oh, you guys love them. And I love it. And I love that you guys love it. It's really lovely. Okay, so for this we're going to start. Right, the first nail is the quilted or cushioned nail, I don't know what you want to call it. I saw the lady, I can't remember her name, I'm awful at names, from 10 Little Canvases. She is on YouTube and she is on Instagram, and I absolutely love her nails. They're just flawless. Anyway, she gave me the idea because I was looking through her, older posts on Instagram, because I have got the Neonail elastic gel, and yeah, anyway, she's done a quilted nail, but she has done hers with you know, like the sculpting gel, the molding gel, whatever you want to call it, plastiline. She's done it with that, but I've decided to do it with the art gels that Neonail have got now, the Expert from the Expert line, which is what I'm doing right here. So you make diamonds and leave a gap between each one, but you want to do them so that they kind of connect together like Tetris pieces. I think that makes sense. And yeah, but you just want a really little teeny tiny gap. Now she makes each of her diamonds out of, have a look on her Instagram. I'll leave her the link to her Instagram in the description box. She makes hers out of the Neonail elastic gel, but she doesn't actually use that one, but I would use the Neonail elastic gel because that's what I have. And hers looks amazing. Hers has a lot more height. I didn't want mine to have as much height, so you know, it depends how deep you want it as to kind of what product you use, or you know, whatever, so you can do it how you want. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm just going to put, like, when you get to the sides, like we did on the top, you just sort of put half of the diamond on. So if you don't have, I'm not sure if I've said it, I might have said it, I might be repeating myself because this is about the third time I've done the voiceover. If you don't have the art gel, you can use, or you're not qualified, so you won't be able to, because this is part of the Expert line, you can use a gel polish called Flirty Blink. That is a very similar colour. I'm going to use that in the video later on. You can do this part with that. I'm going over with a second coat. If you don't want to go over with a second coat, you could use some top coat just to build up the area where the cushions, where the diamonds are. I'm going to use the art gel just to build up a little bit of height. So I'm going to sort of lift up the centre bit there if I can. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to hold it upside down before I place it into the lamp, just to let it sort of settle a little bit. So you see we've got a little bit of height, not masses, but when we are finished they're going to be raised. So I'm going to do that to all of them, and then I'm going to cure it in the lamp for 60 seconds. I'm going to move on to the other nail now. So I'm using the hard base. I'm using Sandy Glow again. This is Flirty Blink. It's actually one of my favourites. I really, really like it. I've used it a few times, I think, now. And Snow Queen, which is the white one. So, oh yes, and some Aquarelle. They're clear base. I am doing a marble nail now, and in this marble nail we're going to use this most amazing glitter. This is ethereal, I don't know how you say it, but it's amazing. This is one of the new Christmas glitters from Nail Sugar. I don't know, I think it might be out of stock, annoyingly, but you guys have absolutely loved the new glitters. If you missed yesterday's video, no, Monday's video is the new release of the glitters, so go and have a look. They're amazing. They're so nice. Right, so we're going over with a coat of base coat. Then we're going to take, I'm just making sure that I've got a little bit of base coat on my brush. Then I'm going to pick up little bits of the glitter, and I want the marble to start from the top left and go wiggle, 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 wiggle down to the bottom right. Not literally wiggle, 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 but I'm just going to wiggle my brush so that it kind of isn't, you know, and the top right and the bottom left are going to be empty spaces. So I'm going to put a little bit of this ethereal glitter. I must have been watching something because I've stopped what I'm doing. You know when I've been watching something, because I stop. If it's good, I'll stop. Every now and then I'll stop and watch. And I won't be doing anything on the video. Cure that in place. Then I'm going to use my Born Pretty brush. I'll leave the... Yeah, it's from the Born Pretty website. You can get 10% off using my code NMMM10. But I'll leave it on the screen. Oh, you can also get 10% off at Neonail using my code NatMug10, and 10% off at Nail Sugar using my code NatMug10. So discount codes everywhere. I'm putting Flirty Blink, Snow Queen and Sandy Glow on my palette. If you contaminate your brush, just wipe it before you put it back into your colour, into your bottle. Then on this nail, we're going over the glitter with the Aquarelle base. This is going to help disperse the colour of the the gel polish when we put it down. So using my Born Pretty brush, you've seen me do this before, I love doing it. Marble nails are one of my favouriteest things to do because they always end up different, and I just love them. So I'm taking 2 scoops. 2 scoops. Like if I was to have ice cream, I'd have 2 scoops. I wouldn't just have, who just has 1 scoop of ice cream? Right. Can you see I'm wiggling? Try and, like, then I kind of brushed it through. Don't brush it through. Kind of like, what's the word? Float it over. Try and float it over more than brush it on, because it just goes on a bit nicer. There we go. Like, sort of, yeah, sort of float it. Float it. And if you're not happy, you can sort of run your brush through the colour. I actually really, really liked all these colours together. How pretty is that? Pop it in the lamp once you're done, once you're happy with how it looks. Cure it for 60 seconds. Oh, it's so pretty. And yeah, so at the moment we've got these 2 nails not top coated. Okay, so we're going to sort that out later on. But for these 3 nails that we've got left, we're going to use Flirty Blink, Snow Queen and Sandy Glow. They're going to be 2 layers, 2 coats of these. Look, I ruined this edit totally because I've got all the colours mixed up. Look. Oh, no, I didn't do it. Oh, I must have taken it out because I got it all wrong. Whoops. Right, so I'm using the dry matte top coat. This is a non-white top coat. I haven't had this before. I've been using the tacky ones, but I've decided I like the non-white best. And I also really, really like their non-white matte top coat as well. So, oh no, this is the matte one. And this is going on the marbled nail, on the pink nail and on the white nail. I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to take the dry top. This is the glossy non-white top coat. This is going to go on Sandy Glow and over the top of the cushion nail. Now, I'm not piling on the top coat on here. I'm just gonna put a thin layer because the art gel actually cures without a tacky layer, so I don't really need to top coat this. If I'd have thought about it, I would have top coated the gold before I put this on, but I didn't, so I'm just putting a very thin coat because you don't want to lose your quiltedness. You know, you don't want to lose the bumpiness of the quilted cushionedness of the nail. Yeah, do you know what I'm on about? There we go. Look how gorgeous that marbled nail is. Oh, and I was just like touching them. I love to touch nails after they've been cured. I love the smoothness. Oh, I'm so weird, but I love it. Look at the look. I love the glitter through this as well. I really, really like that marble nail. So on the white nail, we're going to add some bling. So I have got, these are Swarovski Rose Alabaster pointy back crystals, and they are 3mm wide. These are all from the Crystal Parade. You can get 5% off your Crystal Parade order using my code NAT52. So those are lovely. Then I've got Preciosa Starlight Gold. These are round flat back crystals. So I've got mixed sizes in here. That I do have Capri Gold, but this Starlight Gold looked like it went better with the Sandy Glow. It just went nicer with this Sandy Glow gel polish. So I was like, right, we'll use those. Then I have got some Swarovski Vintage Rose Marquise shaped crystals. These are absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh, I love that. We're only going to use one of these. Yeah, I think I do add some more. Hang on, no, I might not do. I don't know. Maybe I'm thinking of another video. I've edited 3 videos in a row here, so I'm probably getting confused. Right, on this blob of gem glue, I'm going to place 3 of the Rose Alabaster Swarovski crystals into a little cluster. I love doing clusters. I love clusters now. Make sure that it's all nice and neat and straight and everything before you pop it in, because once it's in, you're stuffed. Then I'm going to add some gem glue down here. This is where we're going to put the Marquise Swarovski crystal. Oh my gosh, I love it already. Oh, they're so nice. Then I've got these pink ones. Now, I don't think these are from the Crystal Parade. I'm sure these were ones that I bought. They're Swarovski crystals. I can't remember where I got them from. I don't know what colour they are, but I bought them when I first started doing nails. I think I've had them for about 3 years and I've never used them. These ones are, however, from the Crystal Parade. These are the Preciosa Rose. And again, they're mixed sizes, round flat backs. They're a darker pink. So I am doing the classic the classic necklace shaped crystal placement on this one, and I'm putting some gold. If you want to, you can, like, you'll see me pop it into the lamp every now and then. If you are more confident, you can continue with your design. If you, however, like, I like to every now and then, I will, if I'm feeling cocky, I will put a few on at a go, like, but if I'm not feeling so cocky, I will cure. I'll just give the stones a flash cure, because knowing my luck, they'll probably move and I'll have one line that's nice and straight and the other line will be a little bit wonky, and you just want nice straight crystals, or even, or symmetrical is probably the better word. There we go. And then I'm going to put one here. I think I put a gold one here. Yeah, a gold one here. And then I'm going to put a pink one underneath that. I've sped this bit up, obviously. I don't work this quickly, really. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp for a cure. And then I'm just going to add some micro beads, but I'm going to do that off camera because that takes me ages. That's a bit fiddly. And then I'm going to show you the finished set. Here they are. I absolutely love them. This is probably one of my favourite. Oh, I could have put a little bead in the centre of that cluster, but never mind. This is probably one of my favourite sets that I've done for a long time. I really enjoyed doing it as well. Don't forget, all the websites and discount codes will be in the description box below. Also a link to 10 Little Canvases. She's amazing and she's so lovely to watch. Thank you for watching. I will see you beautiful lot tomorrow with a brand new video. Love you all. Bye.